back, and I'm going to show you how I make a very, very nice lemon bars. These are wonderful. So first we're going to start out with our crust. We're going to do 2 sticks, which is 1 cup of softened butter. Okay. Then I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of sugar in with that. And 2 cups of flour. There we go. Now we're going to combine this. So be careful so you don't wind up with it everywhere. Oh, I got to plug it in. And we're just going to combine it until it's like coarse. Just slowly. If you're wondering what that noise in the background is, I'm still canning. I'm canning more broth up. Okay, so this is all we're going to do is we're just going to mix this in real nice. If you go too fast, you'll have it all over the walls and the floor and everything. But this is really a nice recipe. And I found this years ago. I don't even remember where I found it. But I used it, and I fell in love with it. It makes the absolute best lemon bars. Okay, now we can speed it up just a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to go, and I'm just going to go and finish mixing this up. And then I'll be back. Okay, friends, I'm back. And if you can see this real good, I've got it all combined real well. And it's real coarse. Almost like coarse cornmeal. Okay, so I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to set this right aside. Okay, and then we're going to put that in an ungreased pan. Let's see, that should fit okay good. Okay, now my hands are clean. Your hands got to be clean. We're just going to move this around. Then we're going to press this down into here. And see how that presses down beautifully. Okay? Just press it down real nice. This is a good one for the grandkids to do. They're good at doing this part. Okay, now that we got that pressed down, my oven is set at 350, and I'm going to bake this shell for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? And that'll vary depending on your oven. So let me put this in here. Okay, now while that bakes, we're going to go ahead and we're going to work on our lemon filling. So I'm going to use 2 nice lemons. Actually, I got a bigger one. I'm in my fridge, folks. Now certainly you can use regular lemon juice on this. They say if you pop these in a microwave for a few seconds that you'll get more juice out of them. So you know what? We're going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, friends. I put them in the microwave for about 10 seconds we're going to do this. I'm going to cut them in half. And I might use some of the zest. It doesn't call for it, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just makes it nice, a little more lemon. And I just might, but all I do is I take a fork. Wow, look at that juice coming out. That's good. I just take a fork and I just squish it. You can use a juicer. You can squeeze it with your fingers. But I like doing this with a fork. Look at all that beautiful juice that's coming out of here. And then I'll run it through a little strainer to make sure I don't get any seeds in it. Okay. I'm getting a nice amount of juice out of these. And if you get a little pulp in there, you know, don't worry, just run it through a little strainer. Boy, these are nice. Hey, look at that juice. I'm getting quite a bit there. This is going to be wonderful. This is lemon bars with real lemon juice. All right. Now that I got that, I probably squirted some, I think I got some on my glasses, but that's all right. I'm going to set that aside, okay, and a little strainer for it. I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to start out with 1.5 cups of sugar. So 3 of these. There's 1.5 cups of sugar. And I'm going to do 1/4 cup of flour. And this is our filling, folks. 1/4 cup of flour. And then I'm going to do 4 eggs. Oh, there's a double yolker. Look at there. That's how good my chickens are. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that double yolker in there. Beautiful. All right. Now, I honestly can't tell you if that's from my chicken or not because I got my eggs mixed in with the store-bought eggs. So, anyway, but it could be. I got one that tends to lay some double yolk eggs. Okay, we're just going to whisk this together real quick. Okay. Okay, now that's whisked. I'm going to use my strainer. I'm going to pour all, how much juice do I got in there? I got about 1/2 cup. Just about 1/2 cup. And a whole bunch of seeds that I saved from going in there. Alrighty. This is beautiful. We're going to whisk this all up. And I think I am going to take and just put a little bit of lemon zest in here. I love that lemon zest. Okay, give that a good whisking. You got to mix it really, 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 really good. Look at how beautiful that looks. That is a beautiful filling. Okay, now let me see if I can get my little... I wasn't going to do this, friends, but I decided I will. And this is all I do. I just take just little bits. You don't want any of the white, because that's too bitter. A little more. Okay, I'm not going to put a whole lot. See that on my table? Just that little bit. I'm just going to mix that right in there. Table's nice and clean, so it's all right. Whisk that up. Okay, and it's going to take a few minutes yet because our pie crust is not done yet. So when that's done and I'm ready to put this filling into it, I will be back. Okay, friends, I'm back, and this pan is screaming hot. It's out of the oven. Let's scooch it up a little bit. Okay, and I'm going to give this another quick stir. I baked it for about 17 minutes. So now, with this, hang on one second. This is gonna, we're just gonna pour this right in here on top of all that crust. Okay? And we're not gonna waste a drop, hopefully. Okay, now we're gonna put this back into the oven for another 20 minutes. And then when it's done, I'll be back and I'll show you exactly how it looks. Hey friends, I am back, and this turned out beautiful in here. So these are done. They got nice and, a little bit brown around the edges. So what I do is I'm just going to take a little bit of my powdered sugar, and I'm just going to give them a light dusting. See that? Maybe a little bit more in there. Just give them a nice light dusting of powdered sugar, and they'll be beautiful. Alright, so it's that simple. And I'm going to cut a couple squares out. We're going to try them and we'll be back. Hey friends, we got somebody who's going to try this for us. What do you think there, Tootsie Bell? You gonna try it? It's still a little warm. What do you think of that? Do we get a thumbs up? We do? All right. Well, there you go. There you have it, friends. It's wonderful. Give it a try. You'll love it. Thanks for watching.